Hello guys, there we have an Electrolux Dishwasher ESM64840SX, and today I will show you how you can remove and clean the ceiling spray arm. So in the first step you have to remove both of top shelves. How to do it you will find on our other video. After that just hold this element and just turn to the right side. Then you can just take it out and clean under the water. To put it back again, just push to the upside and turn to the left side in the proper position. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.